Hey everyone, Amtrak and C6 with video, and we got my friend close to like close to like 12:37, and this is the brand new friend. It's not the two other original friends because my two other original friends haven't been on the tracks a lot lately because my other friend who usually works for the weekdays has just been out on the tracks at the beginning of the week, and then spends time in New York the rest of the week. And then my other friend who used to work on weekends it got put to work in Albany and the Yardale for a while, as well as doing taking trains to New York, Penn Station as well. But he's trying to get up, but that friend is trying to get up to this line, the Mohawk line, sometime soon eventually when he can. But now we have this friend now, this new friend, who's out on the tracks again. No, we have him at least, and he's coming. Might be proceeding slow here. It should be he should be on second track, and then that was probably him who just spoke on the radio.